Hi everyone, it's Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. I want to plant my shirts. Look at my shirt. It's so cute. I got it from Timo. And it says snow. Let me put it down right there. Because look at the big one, so it says snow. And it's a grumpy cat. Look at that. So very cute. I like it. So I ordered it on Temu, and it came yesterday. I washed it right away, and then I wear it now. It's a little windy today, and I have my little one here, my poor baby right here. She asked me to go out. It's a little chilly now, but it's getting close to fall, so we're trying to get a chance, and as long as we can go out, we're trying to go out. And here is my Drake. If you hear that, it's a strong wind. We're having a strong wind, and Drake here is seems like he's getting scared of the winds. So we're not gonna stay longer here. He's getting scared. Like I said, all the leaves are falling now, or most of the leaves are falling now. Can you hear the wind? It's so strong. It feels good though. We have a strong wind today. It feels good, but it makes my baby scared. Now he's walking. Maybe he wants to go in the backyard. Are you okay, bud? You wanna go out, get in now? Come on. Come on, let's get in now. You okay? You okay? Come on now. Where you want? Where you wanna go? You wanna go at the back? You wanna go back on the hole inside? You wanna go back inside? Oh my goodness, the leaves are falling. By the way, my shirt has the print in front and back, and it's not a vinyl. It's included on the shirt. I don't know how they do this, but it's nice. It really looks nice, and I really like it. That grumpy cat. Super cute. Alright, here, back to Drake. Are you okay, bud? Are you okay? Huh? Or you wanna go back? Come on. Come on now. No? Come on, if you wanna go back. You wanna go back inside? Come on. Come on. No? He wants to walk. Wants to take a walk for a while. He's not ready to go in yet. Alright, go on. Go on, baby yo. This way. Come on. Come on this way. Good boy. This way. Shh. Shh. Baba, no. That's a plastic. You go there. Come on. Come on, bud. This way, bud. Go on, take a walk. He wants to take a walk. You don't want to go inside yet. Alright. Go. Move your butt. Move your butt. Move your butt. Move your butt. Hey. Don't lay on the ground. buddy. Go on, buddy. This way, Baba. This way, Baba. Drake. This way, bud. He's grumpy. He's getting grumpy now. These past few days he's getting grumpy. We need to bring them again to the vet. They have a vet appointment on Saturday. No, that is a bag. You can't get it. They have appointment for the vet on Saturday, so they can have the shots again. The distemper shot, the rabies shot, and what else? It's gonna be their annual physical exam. We do that every year. So we have appointment on Saturday for them. They will not like it, but they have to have it. So we're gonna have to have it. Hey, move your butt. You're gonna be dirty again. Move your butt. Hey, get up. Hey, get up, Baba. Hey, Baba, get up. You're dirty now. Hey. Hey, I got the belly. You're dirty again. Hey. You're silly. Hey. Yikes, you're dirty. He loves to roll. Hey, Baba, you're getting dirty. Come on, take a walk. Hey. He keep on dropping his body on the ground. You're silly. Hey. You're dirty now. You're dirty now. Hey. Come on, let's go inside. You're getting dirty. Go. Go. Take a walk. Come on. Let's go inside. You're dirty. Ew, you're dirty. Alright, we're going in, guys. It's dirty now. Keep on rolling. Come on now. Alright, safe. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he loves to roll on the ground. My goodness, baby. Drake, you're dirty. I get the belly. It's pushing my arm. I get the belly. I get the belly. I get the butt. I get the butt. Drake. I get the butt. Drake, yucky, you're dirty. Enough. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to stop it here now so I can bring him inside. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to stop the video here because Drake so I can bring Drake inside. He keep on rolling on the ground now. He's dirty now. I will see you again next time. We'll be back next time. Thank you all for watching. Alright, give Drake a thumbs up if you like this video. Share, comment, and subscribe on this channel, Tinker Wonderland. Tinker is still inside. He's scared to go out now. But Drake is not. So, alright guys, I'm gonna have to bring him inside. He's having fun here. But, it's getting dirty. See you again later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.